I am out here camping in the woods. It is beautiful. I've got my feet in the dirt. I probably ate a little dirt with my breakfast this morning. And I just wanted to remind you, you don't have to be afraid of microbes, also known as germs. Microbes are our friends. And for the most part, there's actually no such thing as good microbes or bad microbes. They mostly all play a really important part of our ecosystem, in our body and in the natural world around us. Now, there are a few particularly pathogenic microbes that, if you are exposed to, you will die unless you have access to modern medicine, which is why we do appreciate the invention of antibiotics. But that is actually extremely rare. For the most part, these little critters are all really important. Even things we think of as bad, like strep or H. pylori or E. coli, they actually have a place in a healthy gut microbiome. There was fascinating research done where they went to test the stool samples of people living in traditional cultures to see what their gut microbiomes looked like. And they were very surprised when they found all sorts of these microbes that we usually think of as bad, even though these people were in perfect health, no digestive issues, no autoimmunity, no chronic health conditions, anything like that. So it is actually not, for the most part, the species of microbes you have in your gut that are the problem, which is why it's so problematic if you find something like strep or H. pylori in a biopsy or stool sample to just immediately treat with antibiotics, because they're not always bad in the right context. It's more about the relationship all the different microbes in our body have with each other. It's about a balanced ecosystem living in harmony inside of us, all keeping each other in check. So if you're having issues related to microbiome imbalance, don't jump straight to the antibiotics or the antimicrobials. Those should be saved for really life-threatening situations. Or in the case of more natural antimicrobial herbs, used kind of as a last resort just to correct maybe the last lingering bits of an imbalance that you're having trouble correcting. You need to start by sealing the lining of the gut and rebuilding the immune system. That's done by eliminating starch and sugar from your diet, eating a lot of nourishing animal fats and animal proteins, amino acids, vegetables that have a lot of healing glyconutrients and soluble fiber that can help us detoxify, and letting go of this hyper-hygienic culture we've all found ourselves in. Throw out the bleach, go play in the dirt, don't fear these bugs. This is how we build a healthy, resilient ecosystem inside of ourselves.